Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a week analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPJPY on a weekly time frame, after facing strong price ejection on the previous week after making a retest to this major key zone as a deeper pullback move after all this bullish engulfing move, GBPJPY in this week started to go bullish with this bullish engulfing move, but at the end of the week it did face some strong price ejection from here and closed below this newly forming resistance zone over here, which you can locate on a daily time frame. Now GBPJPY has to make a breakout of this major resistance zone, which is like the double tops pattern that GBPJPY faced before over here, as you can see. So it needs to make a breakout of this major resistance zone for GBPJPY to continue pushing up as part of a continuation to this uptrend channel move that it started all the way from here. In the similar way, GBPJPY needs to make a break and close below this key zone, or better yet, make a break and close below this key level to continue pushing down all the way to retest this key zone, or probably make a retest on this uptrend line once again. Now if you go to this daily time frame, so in this daily time frame, you can see pretty much the same key zones that you saw on the weekly time frame, and also you can see this resistance zone where GBPJPY formed this beautiful double tops pattern and continued finding this huge bearish momentum to come all the way down over here. So you can see how GBPJPY needs to make a breakout of this major resistance zone with further bullish momentum to continue coming to retest any of this key level, which we talked about in the previous weekly market analysis as well. We drew these two key level on the basis of its previous retest points over here, and also it found strong support around at this key zone. As you can see, it has this major retest points over here, and GBPJPY in this week continues to respect that key zone as a support zone over here. However, in between this low, like this support zone and also this resistance zone, GBPJPY also formed another resistance zone, which is right around here. It might not be located well in this daily time frame, but if you go to this 4-hour time frame, then you can see this resistance zone pretty well over here. As you can see, all the sweetest points, and GBPJPY is currently retesting this key zone as a resistance zone, and while forming this like resistance zone in between this high to like this key zone, it also formed a beautiful chart pattern over here. Let me draw it out for you guys. It's like a, this should be its left shoulder and this being its head, and there is his right shoulder. So GBPJPY formed this beautiful head and shoulder pattern as well in this 4-hour time frame, while also building resistance over here and also support over here. So GBPJPY on the upcoming week, through my anticipation, if makes a breakout of this major key zone, like this major support zone, which you saw on the daily time frame as well, which is right around here. So that's the key zone that you saw right over here. So if it does make a breakout of that key zone, like that major support zone, it would also be making a breakout of this beautiful head and shoulder pattern over here, and that might lead GBPJPY to continue pushing down with further bearish momentum to retest this key level, or all the way to retest any of this key level over here if it continues to even push below this key level with further bearish momentum. And these are the key zones that you saw on the daily to weekly time frame as well, which is right around here and here. However, if GBPJPY, instead of making a break and close below this head and shoulder pattern and this major key zone with further bearish momentum, if GBPJPY continues to form higher lows and makes a break and close above this key zone and continues to form higher lows, then it might come all the way up to retest this or this high over here, which is the double tops pattern that you saw right around here GBPJPY faced before. And if with further bullish momentum it makes a break and close even above this key zone, then you can start to look for trades on the long side in hopes of GBPJPY continuing to push up all the way to retest this or this key level over here in continuation to this uptrend channel. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know the regular updates on my trades, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart as well in the video description. So I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on GBPJPY.